Hello, my name is David Zhang from the NerualRobot.ai team. We joined the challenge 2 regarding the law, policies, and the regulations. Our goal is to build an AI system that delivers fast, accurate, and with proper source citations for the user can trust. Let's start. So our the concept for our system is on-premises AI legal assistant. So everything is inside the house, no matter model, the vector DB rag, and then the layer API call, API server, model server, what no, every rag server, everything is inside. So system has four components: API layer, handle the chat, and then the crawler collects official government document, fine-tuned Llama 3 models using QLARA 4-bit quantization for the GPU we have, and then a face vector store containing 1.96 million documents chunks for retrieval. So our flow is we have United Gateway as the first layer. So no matter it's legal related, non-regulated, DOR, not OCR related, PDF related, everything. And then when it's legal, you go to legal checked API gateway. For the legal checked API gateway will query the backend and query the face vector store to retrieve relevant document chunks and send both the query and the retrieved context to our fine-tuned llama models. This is 100% on premises, so no external API calls. Our infrastructure uses Kubernetes for lightweight orchestration, or we have built a smart GPU fleet manager that can dynamically assign the work across different RTX GPUs whichever is available. And based on the task priority and then the queue and then the workload on every GPU resource, it's offload the model, reload the model, handle different the priority level of task smartly, and also it checks temperature, VRAM usage, and compute load, everything for the model, and then it's quite smart, and we are quite proud of this. So far we have over 16,000 documents crawled, ingested, nearly 2 million, 1.96 million chunks, document chunks created in our vector store, and average 5 tokens each. And over 1,200 PDFs OCR is indexed in the vector database already. Apparently, it's from the South G7 countries. Our training is using the Llama 3 7B model as the base and use QLARA 4-bit training because of RTX 3090, the 24 gig memory limitation, and then we can distribute it fine tuning, and we versioned every feature set, every prompts, every checkpoints, so we can easily to roll back. We enforce the citation a lot, right? So no matter is when input, no matter input or we output, we block all of the fabricated legislation. We verify every cited act or code against our official source database before allowing the response through. So, and also the response is added, this is not legal advice, disclaimers automatically, and every response includes detailed metadata, the prompt version used, hallucination, risk score, specific warning, and area of official source citations. So to ensure users can verify every claim. So our security control is pretty solid. We have all of the industry standard, the security implementations there to avoid any the hijack or to avoid any attack from the internet. We have the version features we talked about. We have the version features already, and we go after Over the one thing we want to mention here is every candidate model goes through automated benchmark evaluation against the current baseline. We only promote models that show measurable improvements. So we can make sure that everything we update is valuable. So the test and then the production readiness is a pretty standard quality, 85% test coverage, fully code test, etc. The site is live. You can do whatever the test you want, and all the Legos should be up to date today. No problem. Go ahead. And deliver. Currently, we have the citation validator, GPU fleet, face index, streaming, training pipeline, the test coverage, everything is there. The only thing we missed is that we need to improve is the model hash validation, and then the offline mirrors or dashboards. So it's related to the discovery, the disaster recovery, and then to encrypt the model strongly the encryption. But we are inside our intranet, so that's not on the critical path. So again, we have also the summary. That's the summary. You see that before. And then in Canada, we have 200, the 2000 plus document. UK, US, Germany, Italy, France, everything's here. And our performance is have some measurement is around 200 milliseconds for the retrieval. For the inference is around 2 seconds. It's maybe a little over 2 seconds. And 40 around the concurrent batch, the processing, we have the 18 gig, the VRAM, and the total VRAM is 168 gig. For training, we have 36,000 plus training examples, 48 hours distributed training. Checkpoint is 3.5 gig LoRa. Base model is 13 gig, that's 4B. The test coverage is backend is 87. Front end crawler is 82. Training is 79. So our GitHub repository is here. It's private now. If you need to take a look at the code, just send us email or call me, and then we will open the GitHub for you. That's all. Thank you very much. Have a good one.